Have you ever sent an Excel file to a client or team member, got it back, and realized something's changed, but you have no idea what? Don't waste hours scrolling cell by cell trying to find the differences. Instead, you need to use a powerful built-in tool that most people don't even know exists, Spreadsheet Compare. In this video, I'm going to show you how this feature can find every single modification in seconds to save you hours of auditing. Let's jump in. Here I've got two sheets and they're exactly the same. And how I know they're the same? Let's use Inquire right now. So what we need to do is have it in the ribbon. I'm going to right click this and show you how to install it. There's only certain versions of Excel where you can do it. Right click, go to Customize Ribbon, and it's under the add-ins and under the COM add-ins. If I click to go, I have this checked. So depending on your Excel version, you got to make sure you have that checked so it shows up on the ribbon. Click Cancel. So let's see if these two are exactly alike. Go to Inquire, click on Compare Files. I'm going to compare these two files, 1 and 2. Click Compare. This other window will come up, Spreadsheet Compare. Let me maximize this. And let's see if I can resize the fit, move some things around. This one is going to be a spreadsheet. This one's going to be the first file. This one's going to be the second file. Let's move this up to make it a little bit more viewable. And it's going to tell you if there are changes, it's going to color code them. As you can see, all these are color coded. So there's no changes here, but let's make some changes and see how this works. Close this window. Here on this month, let's change this. Let's say instead of 6, we're going to times 12. Let's change this principal. Let me remove that $sign. And let's make one more change. This prepayment, instead of $1, delete that. That's silly. Now we can go back to Inquire. Let's go into this one, Inquire here. Click Inquire. Click on Compare Files. We're going to compare 1 to 2. Compare. We need to save our changes first, so I'm going to click Yes. Now you see some changes. Maximize this. Let me move this over here in the middle. And we see there's a lot of changes. Let's move some things back around here to make it easier to view. I'm going to move this a little bit more. So there's these changes, and it will denote what kind of changes are there. Purple, these are formula changes. Because we changed that formula, we did times 12 instead of 6. Here we had a text change in A5, and it tells us that because it's green. And it made changes in this turquoise value because these are the calculated values. You can see we have another green here where it says we entered values. So it also tells you what it does here. We have our formula change, values change, and then calculated values change. Now this is a great way for you to compare spreadsheets. When you send a worksheet out to somebody and they made some changes, you can use this to help you out. Or if you want to do some auditing, you made some changes to a spreadsheet of your own, you saved it as another version, and you want to see where your changes are, this will help you compare that. Spreadsheet Compare completely removes the guesswork and stress from collaborating Excel. Go try it out on your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden Excel tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.